Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to be a teacher. My dad's a teacher, my siblings are teachers, so it kind of just runs in the family.
I was attracted to AYA simply because the study focus is literature and language. Ever since I was a young kid, I kind of excelled in those areas. So being able to continue to excel in that, and to share my passion with others and bring that passion out is just a beautiful thing to be able to do.
As like a teenager myself in high school, I never had a teacher that looked like me, so social studies was my favorite subject, and I always wanted somebody who looked like me, who could relate to me. And I think that I could provide that for students in the future, and I could be that for somebody.
We have for a long time been going through a process of trying to focus purposeful field experiences in every year. That means examining what happens in the field each year.
By keeping connections with local school districts, BGSU is able to see what is needed in the classroom, what teachers are dealing with, what BGSU's teacher candidates need to be prepared for.
That first day we go out into the field, I enjoyed it like I was in the happiest place I could possibly be.
So I like the fact that here students are known. Here students are the center, and here the faculty take great pains to make connections and have purposeful relationships with students.
I think faculty members really build rapport here. I think that's really a priority, is that teacher-student connection, especially in the education department, because that's such a major aspect of education anyway.
Some of the relationships I have built with some of my professors, I know I'll have those for the rest of my life, and I can consider them colleagues and personal friends.
My professor challenges me every day to think deeper, to think wider, to have new ideas, expand on ideas.
So just being involved in getting to know the professors and things like that, you really can't go wrong.
If someone was coming in and I was going to give incoming freshmen advice, I would tell them, be ready to work your butts off. We're getting you in the field freshman, sophomore, junior, senior year. So you're being exposed to students, you're building rapport at an early age.
This is a very open-minded profession. It's you have to be flexible. So be flexible when you come in, it makes it easier. I think BGSU's program, education program, is the best around here. I feel like they've pushed us to be the best possible teachers and best possible people we can.